In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add services on Fresha, a valuable tool for anyone managing services in the beauty and wellness industry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly add and organize your services, ensuring your business operates smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. So, first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Fresha website. Fresha is a popular booking platform that caters to salons, spas, and wellness businesses around the globe, making your booking and client management a breeze. Once you've made it to the Fresha homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you're a registered user, enter your credentials, your email and password, and sign in. If you're not registered yet, you'll need to create an account first. Logging in gives you access to your business dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in, take a look around your dashboard and direct your attention to the catalog section. This section is where you'll find all your business's services laid out for easy access and management. It's the hub for organizing everything that you offer to your clients. In the catalog section, you'll see an Add Service button. Give that button a click to begin creating a new service for your clients to book. This is where you get to be creative and cater your offerings to suit the unique style and brand of your business. Once you're in the service creation interface, start by entering the basic details of the service. Begin with a descriptive name that is clear and precise so that clients instantly recognize what you're offering. Next, assign the service to a relevant category such as cut or color if you're a salon, to keep your menu organized and easy to navigate. Categorizing your services helps clients find what they're looking for quickly and encourages them to book more. After setting the category, you'll need to specify the price of the service. Consider your costs, competition, and desired profit margin when deciding on this number. It's essential to balance affordability with quality to attract and retain clients. Next, define the duration of the service. The duration helps in managing your booking schedule effectively, ensuring you have ample time between appointments and avoid overbooking. Be accurate about how long the service will take, as this helps set clear expectations with your clients. Finally, the last step is to click the Save button. Once you do that, your newly created service is added to your catalog. Now, clients can view and book the service through your Fresha page, helping increase your business's visibility and bookings. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to add services on Fresha. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your offerings and ensure a seamless booking experience for your clients. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!